Okay, we're back and we're going to be removing the central line from our mannequin. So I usually will do this with some bandage scissors on hand, but you don't always use your bandage scissors. I always like to go layer by layer to be sure that I know what I'm cutting. So always be careful. Do not just put a scissor on this because you don't want to accidentally cut something. So in this particular case, the vet wrap is easy to see. You can see this was tucked in. Ooh, I could have cut that by accident. So I am going to just be safe and I'm not going to even use the scissors. I'm going to take this off the patient. And many times your patients are standing up like this and you could just unravel this because they're healthy and they're ready to go home. When I get to the cast padding, I often just rip it right off because you can. And this is where you'll definitely need a friend or a hand, somebody to hold the patient while you pull this catheter. So make sure you have a nice vet wrap bandage ready. This is 2-inch. It's a little too small for most dogs. You're probably going to be using a 3-inch or even a 4-inch wrap. You want to have some gauze ready to go. And we've pulled them without sterile gauze. That's your choice. I'll grab my suture scissors, which I seem to have misplaced. Here they are. So using suture scissors, I'm going to carefully cut my catheter. Okay. Basically cut my suture is what I meant to say. And in this particular, the reason why I got caught up in my words there is the mannequin, one of the sutures just ripped right out of the fake skin, so that wouldn't happen in a real patient, but that's why I got a little caught there. But I'm going to put my gauze right over this and pull the central line out, and then proceed to wrap his neck. Cool. And then this should stay on for a little bit, just like any IV catheter. We don't like to necessarily send them home with these, but they can go home with them for. But I'm one that likes to remove them, make sure they're all clean and ready to go, and remove the bandage material, the bandage before they go home. But sometimes you have a little rush to get them out, so just make sure that the owners know to remove that in a couple of hours.